Class 7 NCERT Chapter D Question 4 Describe the steps involved in getting clarified water from wastewater. The answer: use an aerator from an aquarium to bubble air so the sample in the glass jar. Allow several hours to for aeration. Leave the aerator attached overnight. If you do not have an aerator, use a mechanical stirrer or a mixer. This reduces the cold smell of wastewater. Then the water is filtered so the layers of sand, fine gravel, and medium gravel. Filtration makes the wastewater clean from various types of pollutants. The water is continuously until it becomes clear.